today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is emerging trends. Emerging means growing and trend means a general change or development. So as you know, nowadays you are feeling a tremendous change in the field of technology. Nowadays it's very easy to use technology and to understand it. So here we are going to learn what is emerging trends. Emerging means hota hai growing and trend means a general change or development. Now see, the rapid growth of technology is not at all surprising, but what surprise is the rate of technology is growing and evolving, impacting means hota hai effect karna our lives in a way no one could have imagined some decades ago. Decades means if you will see before 10 years, so you will see within these 10 years there is a tremendous change in the field of technology. Today you can listen to news or play your favorite music without getting up from your place. If you have a smartphone, if you have a laptop, it's very easy. Just go on internet and play your favorite song by just giving spoken instructions. You need not to type even. By speaking the instructions, it convert your spoken instructions into the text and you can get the result within a second. Based on your preferences or search history, your online shopping store recommends products for you and you are surprised with your thoughtful matching choices. All this and much more is possible because of modern age technology. So in this chapter we are going to learn about new technology, and I hope all of you have heard about artificial intelligence. So see page 346. Artificial intelligence means it is not natural, means we are talking about the machines, we are talking about the computers, how computers has an artificial brain, and that artificial brain of a machine can work like a human brain. It can think like a human brain. In simple words, field of artificial intelligence revolves around bringing out technologies that help build machines that can think, act and learn like humans. So nowadays machines also can think, can act and can learn like human beings. An AI based program and technology should bring out these things. Firstly, it should be able to mimic human thought process. Mimic means hota hai same. In the same way they can think as we people think, we human being think about a particular thing. In the same way machine can also process and behavior. Example, learning from mistakes, catching up with new ideas, learning new things from new exposure, past experiences. This is called heuristics. So this is also the base of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence it is called because it can work like a human brain. As we can think, we can have new ideas, we can innovate new things, we can learn from the past experiences and mistakes. In the same way machines can also learn. Second, it should act in a human way, like intelligent, rational and ethical. Ethical means hota hai manners, as we can go or take a right decision. It should be able to take right decisions in ethical ways. Thus, modern artificial intelligence machines are designed and programmed to work with minimum human intervention. What is the main concept behind to emerge this artificial machine? The very first, it does not require human intervention. Human intervention means it does not require any human involvement. If once you have given instructions, if you have fed the instructions in a machine, it can work itself. Okay, so it does not require human involvement all the time. Create and update knowledge base which keeps updating means if there is any change in the technology, if there is any type of change, it can be adopted by the machines very easily. Having heuristic abilities means it can learn from past mistakes, decisions, it can outcomes. Most famous example of artificial intelligence today is social humanoid robot Sophia. All of you have heard about Sophia. This is a human robot who has been awarded as a citizenship of Saudi Arabia. So if you have seen Sophia, so you can see it is a robot. ये एक robot है which can work like a human being. Other common examples of artificial intelligence today are Siri or Alexa, the person assistants that have already become the new normal for thousands of people around the globe. So these are also the examples of artificial intelligence which can work like a human being. Smart home devices like Google's Nest, self-driving cars like Tesla, online games like Alien, Isolation. So in this way we have so many examples of artificial intelligence in the form of robots, games, machines which can work like a human being without human involvement. Means they do not require human involvement all the time. They can work independently. It is predicted that in coming 5 to 10 years, AI will grow tremendously. AI based machines would outperform humans in tasks such as translating languages, writing school lessons, driving trucks, etc. Means in the coming 5 to 10 years, it is announced, it is predicted that in जो आगे आने वाली machines हैं, they will be able to translate our languages, they can write school essays, they can drive trucks. Means we can say they will replace human being. Okay. However, more complicated tasks like operating in a place of a surgeon, if we are talking about surgeries, which is very difficult and complicated, so we are expecting will have a doctor in form of robotic machines, or coming out with heart-touching emotional books or bestsellers. Will take machines much more time to learn. AI is expected to master these skills in coming decades. So in this way they are working. Means you will find artificial intelligence all the mainly in the field which is in which we have a very complicated work where we cannot involve human beings. So in this way we can experience immersive experience with extended reality. Extended reality is, the abbreviation is XR, is an umbrella term that covers all the various technologies that enhances our senses and gives us immersive experience. It includes technologies, virtual reality. Virtual means होता है imaginary, augmented reality, mixed reality technologies. Means as when we have a conferencing in the real time, so everything will go in the real time. That is called immersive experience. Let us learn about this. What is virtual reality? You must have seen TV movies. Don't you feel that everything is happening? All of you have seen, if you have gone, there are so many multiplex cineplexes in which you have seen they show you 9D movies, 3D movies. You see a movie, they give you one goggle, one specs goggle, you put it, and when you suppose roster color film, so many films you have seen, you must have seen, so they give you goggles and you feel these effects as it is happening with you. This is called virtual reality. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ आपके साथ हो रहा है, एक्चुअली में ऐसा होता नहीं है, but they put the effects like that it is happening with you. For example, if in a 3D movie a shot has train coming fast straight up to you, chances are that you may scream. आपको ऐसा लगता है ना वो चीज़ आपकी तरफ आ रही है, but actually it's not going on. Here things appear real, but everything is pre-scripted and pre-shot. You cannot alter things interactively. So in this way, we have virtual reality. Now see page number 3. Virtual reality is the next level of this. Here a user experiences a real world like environment in a virtual environment. Virtual means everything is imaginary. You must have seen so many virtual reality films with the help of some digital equipments. I told you ना कि वो आपको एक digital equipment देते हैं, गॉगल देते हैं. उस गॉगल को पहन के आपको फील होता है कि वो 3D फॉर्म में है मूवी, और कुछ इफेक्ट्स डाल देते हैं एज यू फील कि आप उसी चीज़ में इन्वॉल्व हो, बट एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं होता. इट इज़ डन with the help of digital equipment, but one can change the look and feel of it interactively too. Please note that for virtual reality, a 3D virtual environment is simulated, which is generated. Simulated means उसको ऐसा बनाया जाता है, ऐसा generate किया जाता है, and reproduced by the CPU of specially designed VR device, means virtual reality device. It makes it possible for users to interact with the virtual environment with multiple senses. उसमें बहुत सारे scenes होते हैं, senses होते हैं, sight, आप ऐसा फील करो, ऐसा देख पाओ, हियरिंग, touching, sometimes even smell and taste. So in this they put so many effects